This little baby chicken was adopted by this duck.
Hey, Dreamer pooped.
Dreamer pooped, yes. So just
Oh man. You poop? Oh yeah?
This ostrich kept bothering this giraffe.
kicked him. I don't think the ostrich was supposed to be there.
This monkey was really excited to see her.
Good morning, Nick. Yeah, good morning.
This poor little guy couldn't hold on. This penguin wasn't having a very good day after falling in some mud. This cat somehow managed to scare away a bear. They couldn't figure out why their car wasn't starting.
Just like that, Cash.
Oh my god.
Nah, my M4 just got jacked.
Oh, I'm trying to go to sleep or take a nap and he's just...
It seems like this bird is trying to be as annoying as possible. So why is he sitting like this?
Ser perra, está de moda.
This lion was chasing a wildebeest when the unexpected happened. Someone found a bird that wants to take over the world.